Welcome to Portland, Oregon and the world-famous International Rose Test Garden. Join me and MrBalerdash as we explore one of the most beautiful gardens in the Pacific Northwest. With thousands of colorful roses, peaceful pathways, and breathtaking views of the city and Mount Hood, this garden is a must-see destination. Let's take a relaxing stroll and discover why Portland is proudly known as the City of Roses. The International Rose Test Garden was established in 1917 during World War I. Garden leaders feared that many of Europe's prized rose collections could be lost because of the war. So Portland became a safe place to preserve and test rare varieties. Today, the garden is the oldest continuously operating public rose test garden in the United States and remains an important center for growing and evaluating new roses. Today, visitors can enjoy more than 10,000 rose bushes featuring over 600 varieties from around the world. New roses are carefully evaluated for fragrance, color, disease resistance, and overall performance before they are introduced to the public. Peak bloom usually occurs from late May through early September, making summer the perfect time to experience the garden at its most colorful. Beyond the incredible flowers, the garden offers spectacular views of downtown Portland, the Cascade Mountains, and, on clear days, majestic Mount Hood. Admission is free, making it one of Portland's most popular attractions for visitors and locals alike. Thank you for joining me and MrBalerdash on this tour of the International Rose Test Garden. I hope you've enjoyed the beauty of this remarkable place, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.